Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the image and converting the background to a layer so selections work. Once done, duplicate that layer so all edits stay non-destructive. You should zoom to 100% and pan along the edges to see white halos clearly. Next, you select Color Range and click the white edge to sample, set fuzziness low and preview the selection. This isolates the fringe quickly, and you'll refine it in the next step. You now go into Select and Mask to refine the color range selection. This is where control matters. Reduce the edge by a small negative amount to pull the selection away from the white fringe and add a slight feather of about 0.5 to 2 pixels so transitions soften. Make sure to shift edge slightly negative if light halos persist. Once satisfied, output to a new layer with Layer Mask so you can paint back any details with a soft black. You finish by examining edges at normal zoom and painting on the mask to remove tiny remnants. If color mismatch remains, try the layer blend mode, multiply for light removal or color to match hue, then lower opacity for subtlety. For stubborn halos, go layer matting to fringe and try 1 to 5 pixels. This trims fringe uniformly. If that overcorrects, undo and refine the mask manually with a fine brush. One key tip: always keep the duplicate. You can revert or sample original pixels if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.